Yo. So I don't know what's going on here, but there's currently 2 different peak pay promotions on DoorDash, which means that every order is gonna have an extra $4.50 on top of it. Like, that can't be normal. I mean, it's not normal, but I'm not complaining. Now I just have to get an order. That's the hard part. Almost 20 minutes in, we've got our first order. This is gonna be for Black Rock Coffee, $9.50 going 3.5 miles. Again, keep in mind there's peak pay of $4.50, so that's the only reason I'm even taking this one.
All right, thank you for waiting. There you go.
Thank you. Next up, we're heading to Safeway for a shop and deliver. This is $15 and some change, going 6 miles, 9 items. Going back to Safeway, this one's going to be $8, going 4 miles, 2 items. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Target. $16 going 3.5 miles, 9 items. Two of these. 2 of these. Two of these. Oh, that's everything. Easy. Yeah, I was gonna say, as long as everything is in stock, that should have been an easy one. And it was, because everything was in the same aisle. Next order up, we have a Chick-fil-A. This is $19 going 8.5 miles.
Hi, we're picking up our DoorDash.
Right here.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. All right, that wait actually wasn't that bad. Now we just have to drive 1,000,000 miles. It's been about 20 minutes since that last order. I am getting offers, but they're just not very good. And it looks like it might be snowing. It's like half snow, half rain, if that makes sense. Finally got an order. This is going to be an alcohol pickup, $9 and some change, going 4.5 miles.
Boom. All right, safe travels, brother.
Scribble in that little square for me. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $11 going 3 miles, 4 items.
Hi,
tires. Ooh, now this is a good one. Got a shop and deliver for alcohol, $20, going 5 miles, only 3 items. Just a scribble on that line for me.
Thank you.
Next up, we've got a Champ Pizza. This one is $16, going 8 miles.
Hey, how can I help you? All right, have a good one.
I think there's a drink on. Oh, yeah. I don't know why I keep taking these orders that leave me stranded at the end of my shift, but I keep doing it. Gonna be calling it here. Current time's 11:27. Total is 124. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.